Hey friends, welcome to my channel. This is Veronica. So today in this video we are going to talk about glow peel, how it will gonna change your life, how it will gonna change your skin. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So friends, here is my Fasderma Glow peel. If I have to define this glow peel is a kind of a facial at home, I must say, because it really do that thing. And this glow peel will gonna help you in tightening your pores, in removing all the dark spots, lightening your skin, brightening your face, and it will gonna glow in just one use. Because I'm literally using it. I used it like so many times and I'm so happy with the result, because it just brightened up my face, gave a beautiful glow to my face, and this is like so good and so affordable. And beauties, whenever we visit salon or parlor, they suggest us like chemical peeling, and then we usually go to parlors because parlor is more affordable than salon. But still, if you are going to salon and parlor, they suggest us, like if you are searching for a permanent solution, they will gonna suggest us like chemical peeling, then exfoliation, then they are going to suggest us like so many costly things. But if you are going to use this will gonna give you, as I said, it's a home facial thing. If we are going to use this will gonna give you a same result, I think more better result than salon or parlor, with a very affordable price, and it will gonna help you in just changing your skin. It will gonna give you a permanent solution for it. So beauties, now let me tell you about this glow peel thing. And one more thing, this is like unlike bleach. This is not like bleach will gonna affect your skin, because in salon parlors, whenever we do facial, they use bleach and everything, but this one will not gonna affect your skin. Bleach, as we all know, bleach will gonna harm your skin, will gonna make your skin dry. It causes so many problems, but this is not like it, not at all. And if you are a skin specialist and dermatologist, you should know that whenever we are searching for something permanent like skin lightening or something, we have to go through that chemical peeling. But if you are using this, you don't need to do that, like totally not, because this glow peel is like a small thing which will gonna help you in changing your skin. So this is the best, because I used 15 ml of it, this one, and then I switched to 60 ml of it because I really love the result. This will gonna give you a result in just one application. You can see a huge change on your skin and on your texture of your skin. Like, this is so amazing product, I must say. So friends, now let me tell you how you have to use it. Firstly, you have to wash your face and just degrease it, just remove all the dirt, greasiness, oiliness from your face, make it totally clean. Then you have to take few drops of it. Let me show you, like this. Few drops of it. This is like a totally watery texture, and then just apply it on your face like this. One more thing, beauties, it will gonna give you a little bit of that itchiness, a very like itching sensation on your face, which is totally normal. But if you are facing like so much of irritation and so much of redness, then just wash it and just apply aloe vera gel. But the normal irritation, then normal that itchiness sensation is totally natural. So you have to apply it like this. This is like a little bit sticky. You have to apply it like this, leave it for 20 minutes, then just wash it with normal water. Don't use hot water, warm water at all, no cold water, just normal water. So beauties, you can apply this 3 times a week, and trust me, this will gonna help you in just tightening your pores, brightening your face, and in just one application you will see the huge difference. So I just love this product so much. Now I'm not going to do facials anymore, no facials, like no bleaching, nothing. After using this, seriously, I just left everything and I don't need anything to apply on my face, and this just changed my skin color, my skin brightness, glowiness, and then everything is totally changed. So I'm in love with this product. So beauties, this is the carton of glow peel. You can see everything is written in it, and in this box you are going to get this dropper, and then there is one like manual kind of, which everything is written in it. This is you are going to get in this box. I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box. Beauties, if you have any queries regarding this product, just comment it in the comment section. One more thing, beauties, I want to tell you, if you want to know more about this product, just go and check the website of Click on Care. Trust me, they are having like so many good products. You can discuss with them, you can tell them your problem, and they will gonna tell you everything. They will gonna answer all your queries mainly. And beauties, if you are having skin problem, hair problem, health issues, and there are like so many things, there are so many products, as I said, just visit Once a Click on Care website, because I have personally ordered so many things from there and they are totally worth it. So beauties, hope you have liked this video. Just go and try this. Please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram, do follow me on Snapchat. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.